इसलिए क्यों?
Namaste, All India Students Federation. Today we have protest in Agartala for demanding to withdraw the learning outcome based curriculum framework by union government, because this LOCF, the draft, it is against the public education system. They tried to change the Indian history, Indian freedom movement, because we know the Indian history, who fought for the independence, who sacrificed their lives, but they want to change into the Hindutva ideology. They want to manipulate the history, and even the physics, chemistry, science, in all subjects, in the name of Indian knowledge, they try to insist the Hindutva ideology by the RSS. So this learning outcome based curriculum framework, it is against the scientific temper. Even our Indian constitution, we said we are insist for the scientific temper, but in this curriculum framework, what now union government has draft was released, that is completely against the scientific temper. So this is not a good one. So AISF demand to withdraw this LOCF back, and National Education Policy 2020, it is tried to dismantle the public education system all over the country. Even we are standing right now in Agartala. We asked the many students how much the fees. Here the government schools, government colleges, they are giving educations in the free of cost. But after 10 years, this NEP has been vigorously implemented in Agartala, in Tripura. After 10 years, there is no government school, no government college. So it is a big threat for the people of Tripura. So we are strongly against national education policy. So AISF taken this issue throughout the country. We are doing continuously protest all over the country. That's why today we are doing this protest in Agartala. Thank you.
Your good name?
Dinesh C. Rangaraj, General Secretary, All India Students Federation.